we are going to learn about the next set of fractions which are called as like fraction and unlike fractions. Like is a very simple word in English, just as I say daughter looks like mother. So you understand that mother and daughter, they both are same or matching. Just as that, fraction with same denominator or matching denominator are called as like fractions. For example, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 4 over 3, 7 over 3. So here you see one common thing or same matching thing in all these four fractions are they have the same denominator 3. We can have some more examples. We can have a fraction with denominator 2. So here I can have 3 over 2. Then if I have 5 over 2, then I can have 7 over 2 and 9 over 2. So here you can observe that in all the four fractions, the denominators are absolutely same, that is 2. So this is an example of like fractions. Another set of fractions are called as unlike fractions. The term unlike is not same or not matching. So fraction with different denominators. The denominators are not same or not matching. Such fraction are called as unlike fraction. Example, I have over here 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 5 over 4. So if you observe all the denominator, they are absolutely different. We can have some more example. We can have 3 over 4. We can have 6 over 5, and we can have 9 over 7. We can add one more to the list, 2 by 3. So here you see the denominators are absolutely different. So this is a set of unlike fractions. Now let us see how we can do comparing of fractions. Comparing of fractions means we look at the fractions and we tell whether they are equal or greater excuse me, or lesser. So now this fractions can be compared when the denominators are same. So whenever you need to compare fractions, so at that time you need to make sure that the denominators are same. So now we see some examples where the denominators are given same and then we compare the fractions. For example, they have given fractions 1 over 3 and 2 over 3. So now if you look at these fractions, you will see the denominators are absolutely same, 3. So they are like fractions. So here we just need to compare the numerators, 1 and 2. So you see 1 is smaller whereas 2 is bigger. And hence what we get is 1 over 3 is smaller than 2 over 3. Another example where we take denominator as 5. So I write here 11 over 5 and 9 over 5. Here again you see denominators are absolutely same, 5. So I just have to compare the numerators 11 and 9. When you compare both 11 and 9, you see 11 is bigger than 9 and hence the fraction 11 upon 5 is greater than the fraction 9 over 5.